Welcome to the GoalZero Toolbox Talk series. Today's Toolbox Talk: Propane handling. Safe handling of propane fuel. Position the tank so the liquid propane does not encounter the relief valve. Ensure the locking pin engages into the cylinder and the valve is closed tightly. Store the cylinder outside, in an upright position, in an area where it can be secured and protected from being struck. Put the cylinder down gently. Do not drop, dent, or damage. Always protect the valve from any damage. Avoid contact with liquid propane, as it can cause frostbite. Wear protective gloves while making or breaking connections. Ensure that only qualified persons repair carburetors and fuel supply systems. Exchange removable cylinders outdoors or in well-ventilated areas, away from ignition sources. Close the valve before breaking connections. Steps to follow when changing propane fuel tanks. Wear a protection and insulated, loose-fitting gloves such as leather, dry, or insulated neoprene. Close the valve on the cylinder. Run the engine until it stops. This ensures that the connection hose is empty. Shut off the engine. Open the connecting nut and inspect valves for leaking. Do not use metal tools. Disconnect the hose followed by the holding straps. Remove the empty cylinder and replace it with the full cylinder in the proper position. Reconnect the holding straps and tighten the connecting nut, wiggle hose. Open the valve on the cylinder slowly and check for leaks. If the valve leaks, first time, tighten the nut and continue. Second time, change the cylinder. Third time, change the hose. Open the valve fully, slowly. Check that the hose is turned inward. Secure the hose downward. Secure the cylinder. Start the engine and resume operation. Precautions to take with propane cylinders. Do not use metal tools when changing a cylinder. Do not let the cylinder get too hot. Do not use matches or a flame to check for leaks. Use soap or a leak detector. Do not mount more than 2 LPG cylinders on any forklift truck.